Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook sobolo. You will need 1 cup of dried hibiscus leaves, about a 4-inch piece of fresh ginger, 1 whole pineapple, and 1/4 cup of whole cloves. Have about 8 cups of water and your chosen sweetener, perhaps sugar or honey, ready as well. Gathering these items beforehand makes the entire cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Carefully wash your 1 cup of dried hibiscus leaves in cool, clean water to remove any dust or impurities. Next, peel and roughly chop the 4-inch piece of fresh ginger, and then slice 1 whole pineapple, keeping the skin on if you desire a deeper flavor. Now, combine the washed hibiscus, chopped ginger, pineapple slices, and 1/4 cup of whole cloves into a large, sturdy cooking pot. This initial step builds the aromatic foundation for your sobolo. Add about 8 cups of water to your pot, making sure all the ingredients are fully submerged for optimal flavor extraction. Bring this mixture to a strong, rolling boil over medium-high heat. As soon as it reaches a full boil, immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let it continue to simmer peacefully for approximately 20 to 30 minutes, allowing all those wonderful, distinct flavors to deeply infuse the water. This careful steeping is truly essential for a rich sobolo. Once the simmering time is complete, turn off the heat and let your sobolo mixture cool down entirely. This step helps the flavors continue to meld beautifully. After it has cooled, carefully strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean container, ensuring no solids remain. Now, sweeten your sobolo to your personal preference, using about 1/4 cup of sugar or natural honey. Stir thoroughly until the sweetener is fully dissolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.